Yo, what is up? This is Zach here, and I am doing another fishing episode. This will be mostly about the bigger fish. I'm going to be fishing with bigger hooks, mostly bass, so I'll see you there. Peace out. Bye.
Raining, I could have went ahead and left. She's like, I didn't know.
She's like, so we are in Virginia.
Do that because that place down there stays so flooded.
We are on our way there, so
Never even
I'll
realized
see
that
you.
until this
Bye.
year.
Okay.
Bye, Tree, we love you.
God, stupid.
We gotta get in the house, okay?
So I'm here, guys. I'm fishing lure, bass lure, and worms with my other rod. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I'll see y'all when I catch something. I got a small one. No, he's actually large. It's actually pretty not bad size. So this is my first catch of a day. Ooh, I see old fella. Good God, he did not like to be touched. So I thought he was a bass. He did not fight hard. Really easy. So first one of the day, sunfish. All right, so I'll see the next fish. Man, he ate my worm. So I was fishing, bass fishing, while my fishing rod with the worm on it was just sitting in my backpack. Suddenly, that thing went down. I was trying to reel it in until my bass fishing rod got stuck and tangled. So I was trying to untangle it while fighting the small sunfish. Ow, good God. It's actually the smallest sunfish I've caught all day. No, it's actually not. I think the first one's smaller. Nope, this one's definitely smaller. Wow, well, that was easy. You ate my worm. Why? Alright, this one is gonna be a keeper. So, fourth sunfish of the day. I had a bass on the line. Oh yeah! Look at this massive. Oh shoot! I got caught up in my bait. This is great bait right here. All right, first fish. Well, not first fish, first bass, baby. So rough pulling in. This thing is massive. Shoot, tried to bite me. I'm gonna take a picture with this baby. Oh shoot, I hate you. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them off in here. Take a nice picture. I haven't took pictures of my sunfish, but if anything, I'm taking a picture of this thing. Oh yes, yes. Alright guys, this is amazing. Finally caught me a bass. This thing. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord. I've been dying to get this. I'm actually going to replay the video of me catching it, so I'll show you in a minute. Gosh, here he comes. Oh my gosh, it's a bass. Oh, good gosh. Massive. Yes, thank you, Lord. Dang. Woo. Yeah. Look at this bad boy. Perfect. Alright guys, so that was awesome. Yes, huge fish. Couldn't weigh it, didn't measure it. So I might go fishing tomorrow, so I might catch some good fish. I won't record the small ones. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out. Bye. Remember, I don't know, but this video might be going on, so, but if it doesn't, see y'all next time. Peace out. Alright guys, it's raining like crazy out here. So, I'll be fishing with 3 rods today. A big, a 6-foot, and a couple small ones. All gonna be worm. I'll see you when I catch my fish, alright? Peace out. Oh my gosh, guys. I was just sitting on the bench waiting for one of my rods went off, and all 3 of them went off. It caught me 3 fish, baby. See all those? So that's 6 fish. This one's going goodbye. Bye-bye. 2 more to go. It's like throwing a net in there. They caught me a bass. Woo, he's slippery. Like a, like these, bluegills I got, and these, things. They have spikes, and they're rough. I have a dead fish out there on the hook, maybe catfish or something. Oh, yes, I caught it! Look at that massive thing, it's huge! Look at him. Humongous. Yes. Baby, look at this monster. Monster. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's so big. Thank you, Lord. There he is. See him? Yes, finally did it. Time to pull him up. God, he's strong. Oh, look at that massive tail. He's like a prehistoric monster. Look at him. He's a monster. Let's get him. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Oh. Come on, dude. Isn't he amazing? He'll pull my rod right into that river. Pond. Let's go, buddy. Isn't he awesome? Now I'm gonna get him gone. Last 2 just broke my. Last 2 just got their self free. Oh, he ate my bait too. Dang it! All right, it's time to come up. Look at that tail. Oh my goodness. I don't think people will believe me, but now look. That thing is huge. Let's go. He is so scared. Look at those claws. Oh my gosh. So, if you come... Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. That was crazy. So, I didn't put them, I do have all videos, well not all, I didn't record them all. And I did record most of them, but didn't put them on the video. So I did catch 21 sunfish, 4 bluegill, 3 bass, and 3 snapping turtles. I only showed 1 because 2 of the snapping turtles, I was trying to reach my iPad until my line broke. But that snapping turtle, it was stuck up in his mouth, cut into his bone, so I had to cut my line on that one. So I did have the time to take videos. So Luke, if you watch this, Mommy is fat. If you hear this, go tell Mommy that I said that. And I want to see if Luke watches this. Alright? I hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace out. Bye.